Okay, here's the compressor. 8.5 by 11 sheet. So you can see it's not too big. And not very loud either. Pretty smooth. Pretty smooth. As you can see, it's got the regulator and the water collector underneath. There's a little thing you just push up on the bottom and it lets the water drain out. So, there you have it. And this ought to look familiar. I don't know why they got this little thing here. Right there. Because the hose connects right up here, so I don't know what that's for. I'll have to find out. I think it's for putting a hose on when it's not the right fitting. Here's the hose. I already tried it. That's perfect. So, there we go. So the only thing left now is to build the spray booth. And we'll do that next month. Just buy a big one of those plastic tubs and put a you can get a bathroom ceiling fan from Lowe's for about 14 bucks. And then an air conditioner filter to put on the other between the grill and the fan, so it'll trap most of the paint particles. The only thing that'll be going out the building is fumes, if any at all. So there we go. We're getting in business. Bought a couple models too. Yes. You know, Monogram never made a B47. I got this for 17 bucks. Had to come all the way from Japan. It was 1/48 scale. And this looks like a fun one. It'll probably be the first big model I do. I've always liked the B47 better than the B52. George actually seen one of these. He had actually saved a guy's life. The canopy came off and decapitated the pilot's head, and the co-pilot was all bloodied and couldn't see, and so George talked him down to a safe landing. How you like that? Good for old George. And then we got I thought, you know, I've never put together a model that I could actually fly. Well, here it is, the Cessna 150. And then also the Cherokee 180. You can see it. They're both 1/48 scale. Even for 1/48 scale, this is so small. It's really tiny. I thought, I mean, it'd be nice to put a couple models together that I actually could fly. Well, there we go. All right.